Introducing Mi Sphere Sports Action Camera. 360 degrees field of view. An ultra-wide-angle high-aperture lens. Reflective prism eliminates blind spots. Up to 23.88 effective megapixels. Dual 0.3-inch Sony image sensors are highly light-sensitive at 1600 watt, allowing seamless transitions at resolutions of 6912 by 3456 up to 7K. Professional-grade image fidelity. The two lenses automatically calibrate and adjust the image and colors, ensuring smooth video recording at 3456 x 1728/30 fps or 2304 x 1152 60 fps. This is perfect for indoor, outdoor, travel, business, journalism, film, and other uses. Built-in 1600 mAh battery. On just one charge, Mi Sphere camera can record up to 75-90 minutes of HD panoramic video with Wi-Fi on, off, and up to 200 photos. Slim and easily carried. Measuring only 0.47 at its thinnest point, Mi Sphere camera is highly portable and can be carried in a bag, pocket, or hand. Take panoramic photos anywhere, anytime. Temperature, wind, and water resistant. Alongside IP67 dust and waterproofing, Mi Sphere camera has been tested in temperatures of 14°F to 113°F. Water and dust resistance were tested under controlled lab conditions. Resistance may fail due to wear and tear or over time. Damage caused by immersion in liquid is not covered by warranty. It's one of the best action camera for you. To get one, check the Amazon link on video description.